Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We finally got one of the things that I ordered. We're about to do an unboxing. Can you guess what it is? I'm super excited about it. Obviously it's something to do up here. That's why I got the hood open. If you hear a little background or a little noise in the background, it's my sister-in-law. We're fixing the fence for the goats. I'm doing this at home by myself. See what happens. Alright guys, let's just get into this. So, this is my very first unboxing, which is a box inside of a box. Oh, two boxes inside of a box. Any guesses yet? Put it down in the comments. I've been wanting to get these for a very long time. Oh boy. Oh boy. What have I done? Would you look at that? These are the Anzo switchback dual projector headlights. Oh boy. Alrighty guys, by no means am I a professional, but I'm going to attempt this all by myself in the driveway at home. So you got to take off all these little clips. Here. There's some back here. You got to take all those off, and then like I said, this piece pulls off. You should have 4 bolts in the bottom, a couple on this side. You got to do these and she should come out. So we're going to start with the driver's side first, since that's the one I opened to begin with. So we're gonna start the driver's side and do a little time lapse for you guys. Appreciate you coming by. Just want to be very, very careful with this. See, I almost forgot there's 2 small bolts on the inside of the fender that you actually have to take off in order to get that piece off. That's why you have to be very careful when you do this kind of stuff. It's easy to forget stuff, which you never want to do. So those bolts are right here, and they are a 7 mil. You got 2 right here, one right here and one up here. So what you want to do, nope, is just take these 2 off. So I had just taken those 2 bolts off. I put them in the groove of a tire or lug, and there they should just pop off. There you go. Now the headlight is exposed and really ugly. Hey guys, just want to say sorry. I know a lot of time has passed by, and it's been difficult, at least. Hopefully y'all like them. Unfortunately though, I had bought LED lights. Now these are basically useless to me. On the sale it said that you select factory headlights. So I'm like, okay, factory headlights. The same connection, same deal. It plugs right in. But these look way different and you can't use this. It doesn't even launch in or nothing. But I'm gonna go ahead and take care of the other side. I'll be right back with you when we're done. Hopefully it's still daylight. Here's one thing that people don't tell you. There is a little clip. Let me grab the other GoPro real quick. So this little clip right there You have to compress these two together, and then you can pull this plastic piece off. There are two other clips that you'll be able to see here a lot better in a second that you gotta press in to get this off. What I'm talking about. Alright, so these little clips right there, those seat into those spots right there. So, in order for the switchbacks to work, you have to use these deals, or you could splice them in whichever way you want, but I like these. Alright, I crimped all my lines. Just check these, make sure they still work. They work great. To make sure these work before I finish putting them all in, and everything's good. So, just put them back in. You just follow the same steps in reverse. I think they look pretty cool. You gotta let me know what you think. So I got anzo front switchback LED headlights, and then the rear, which we've all seen. These are the anzo LED rear taillights, and they have the light strip that goes down here. I still plan on making a review for these tires. The truck is very, very dirty because I use it as a truck. This is not a pavement princess. This is a truck. So it's not afraid of getting dirty. There's a lot more stuff coming to it. And I guess all I could say about that, give you guys a little bit of a hint. I don't really care for all the chrome. I don't like so much the blacked out look, but just too much chrome for me. So, and just as a deal, if my father's watching, no dad, chrome does not get you home. Alrighty guys, moment of truth. I think it looks great, but so there she is. All lit up. I can proudly say I done it all myself. You got the forward lights going on. Heck yeah. There they are. That's what they mean by the anzo switchbacks. Yeah guys, I'm stoked. I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you think. Do you like them? Do you not like them? You think I should have went with something a little bit different? What's your idea on these? I'm gonna go back in here and switch them back off. I hope you liked the update. Hope you enjoyed. I know I didn't do too good of an install video, but I'm working on that. I made a couple mistakes myself. We appreciate all the support you've been giving us. People sharing the videos, people liking the videos. Everything helps. I'm trying to get to the point to be monetized. We're not there yet, so you know, that's my goal right now, just to be able to be monetized. I just like to say I appreciate all your support. And it really does mean a lot to me and Baby Doll, and you know, everything that goes into making these videos and spending 4 to 5 hours editing a video and sitting there and looking at it, watching it, scrapping the whole thing, starting over again. You know, it's a lot of fun for me. I do it as a hobby, and I'm just glad to see that you guys enjoy what I do, and I like seeing how much support we get, and it means a lot. Alrighty guys, it is now dark, as you can see. So what we're gonna do is just unlock the truck. Yeah, they look pretty good. You know, they'll look real good going down the road. To me, it was worth the money. If you want to do something like this for yourself, let me get my light out. Oh, it's really bright. Let me know, and I might post a link to where I got these lights from, so you can purchase some for yourself. As you can see, well, maybe with my hair out of the way, I am wearing one of our Trucker Dan shirts. If you are interested in getting a shirt, I got stickers, I got hoodies, and actually I bought a hoodie myself too. I really like it. It's really soft, it's a little thin, but it's very comfortable. So if you're interested in something like that, the link will be in the description. Please subscribe and like the video. Share with your friends. Let me know what you think. Comment down below if you want the link. If you're part of my Facebook group, I post a lot more there. I do like somebody, people knew that there was updates coming to the truck from the group. So I give out updates, I give out contest information, which I am contemplating on making another contest. We'll see how that turns out. Yep. Y'all have a good night, and we'll see you again.